Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is sponsored by Shine Armor. So speaking of this car, I got it 2 years ago, and ever since this has been my daily driver. I mean, I love this car. It's just reliable. It's so comfortable. It's got the naturally aspirated sound that I need. Anyways, Shine Armor reached out to us, and then they sent their graphene ceramic coating spray. So this car is being ceramic coated 2 years ago, and then it looks pretty good, but then it does have a little bit of water spots, like right there, and then right here, and then some spot in the hood. So the plan is to apply this product to my hood, and then we're gonna do a 50-50 difference. We're gonna apply the product on this side, and we're gonna leave it as it is, and then we're gonna do a water drop test and then see if this product's gonna make a difference. Alright, so he's gonna go ahead and spray the ceramic coating to this towel. Then we're gonna apply to the hood, only this side, not the other side. Alright guys, so this is after 4 minutes. This is what it looks like right now. We're gonna use this microfiber towel. This is a brand new one, so we're gonna go circular motion and then gonna wipe off the exit. Just gonna apply evenly pressure to this side of the hood, trying to get as much as we can. Alright, so we're gonna start with the non-ceramic coated side. So he's gonna put some water. As you can see, it's gonna leave a little bit of water spots right there. So this side is not ceramic coated, like I said. We're gonna take the same water bottle and try it on this side. Look at that. One more time. Amazing. Now pour the rest on the side that we ceramic coated. Would you look at that? Barely leaving spots. And if you look at this side, there's a bunch of water right there. Alright guys, before I get in this video, I'd like to point out something real quick. So if you look at the right side of the picture, which is the side we applied ceramic coat, and if you look at the left side, which is the side we did not apply the ceramic coat, that's a huge difference. So does that mean the graphene ceramic spray did the job like you said it would do? I mean, the video and then this picture speak to itself. With that being said, I want to give a huge shout out to Shine Armor for giving us a chance. Alright guys, there you have it. You saw the result. If you're going to drive your car, I highly recommend this product. We have a link in the description below. Make sure you use the 20% off discount code. We'll catch you in the next video.